Is GBPUSD about to crash, or will the bulls stage a comeback? Please watch the full video. Looking at the H1 timeframe using smart money concepts, we're seeing a major shift in market structure. Previously, the pound was in a strong bullish run with clear break of structure to the upside. However, that momentum has stalled. The market failed to create a new higher high and is now printing lower highs, suggesting the bullish trend is becoming exhausted. Right now, price is reacting from a supply zone and is currently testing a critical demand level. This looks like a classic distribution phase. Let's talk levels. We have two major supply zones above us. The immediate zone is between 1.3515 and 1.3535, which has already shown a strong bearish rejection. Higher up, we have a major institutional level between 1.3570 and 1.3600. On the downside, price is sitting right inside the 1.3440 to 1.3450 demand zone. This is our make or break area. If we look deeper, there is a secondary strong demand zone at 1.3390 to 1.3410. Here are the two scenarios for the coming sessions. The high probability bearish scenario triggers if we get a clean break below the 1.3440 demand. If that holds, expect a bearish continuation targeting 1.3410, 1.3380, and potentially 1.3350, with a stop loss placed safely above 1.3515. The bullish reversal scenario requires a strong reaction from this current demand and a breakback above 1.3535. This would signal a continuation toward 1.3570 and 1.3600. The key decision zone is 1.3440 to 1.3520. While price is inside this range, expect consolidation. The real move happens on the break. Watch the candle closure carefully. If demand breaks,